In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Drive link for photos on mobile. First, grab your phone and make sure you're signed in to your Google account. You'll also want to have the Google Drive app installed. If you don't have it yet, you can download it for free from the App Store or the Play Store. Once that's done, open the Google Drive app. When the app opens, you'll see your existing folders and files. To upload a new photo that you want to share, look for the plus icon, usually at the bottom right of the screen, and tap it. From the menu that appears, choose Upload. Your phone will now show you different sources, like Photos or your file manager. Navigate to the photo you want to share and tap on it. Google Drive will start uploading the file, and you'll see a small progress indicator. Wait until the upload is complete before moving on. Once the photo is uploaded, locate it in your Drive. You can check the Recent tab if you're not sure where it went. When you see the photo, tap the three dots next to its name to open the Options menu. In this menu, you're looking for the option that says Share or Manage Access. Tap that. Here, you'll see who currently has access to the file. To create a link that you can send to other people, look for the option called Link Settings or something similar depending on your version of the app. You'll usually see a section labeled Link and a button that might say Restricted or Anyone with the link. Tap that to change the access. If you want anyone who has the link to be able to view the photo, choose the option that says Anyone with the link. Make sure the permission is set to Viewer so people can see the photo but not edit or delete it. This is the safest default for sharing. After that, tap the Copy Link button. This copies the Google Drive link to your clipboard. Now you can open your messaging app, email, or social media. Tap and hold in the text box and paste the link. When you send it, the recipient will be able to tap the link and view the photo. If at any point you change your mind and want to stop sharing, just go back to the file in Google Drive, open the same sharing menu, and set the link access back to restricted. That's all there is to it.